Welcome to the Health Shrine Herbal series. I'm Master Law. Today let's explore almond kernel, known in TCM as xingren. This herb is warm in nature, belongs to the metal element, and supports the lungs. Traditionally, it's used to relieve cough, stop wheezing, and moisten dryness. Almond kernels are rich in amygdalin, which breaks down into compounds that help relax bronchial muscles, supporting easier breathing. They also provide healthy oils to moisturize the lungs. Have you used almonds beyond just eating them as snacks? Comment your experience, ask your health questions, and visit our Health Shrine store for herbal lung care teas.